Chirpley is up 50%. This is amazing. I'm happy. You know why? Because I talked about this token, I think 2 or 3 weeks back, and I don't think most of you pay attention to it. I told you guys that these guys are amazing because of what they are all about, their use cases, what they are trying to achieve in the crypto space. I believe the token can skyrocket to the upside. And look at these guys. It's exactly what I mentioned. If you want to go learn more about Chirpley, this is what they are all about. Small influencers are not alone. Like, they are out there to help influencers get deals or get make money in what they do, right? So they are trying to help these influencers, to get started as they are small or when they're small, right? And looking at the price right now of Chirpley, I'm going to tell you guys that this is a token that you need to pay attention to again. But don't go and FOMO buy it right now. Of course, you can still buy it right now, but not with everything you have. Let's say you have $1,000 or $100. You can buy it for 10% or 5% of that. Then you keep DCAing, you keep buying as days goes by. But when you look at this daily time frame, I bought Chirpley back then. I bought it at this price here, and I made a video to you guys that this token is gonna skyrocket. And ever since, I've been seeing consolidation here, and I told you guys that this token is going to move to the upside. I know that when I see tokens like this consolidating, I know the next step is to skyrocket to the upside. That's why I bought more Chirpley, right? And now I'm happy to see where the price is at this point in time. We have lots of small influencers out there who are trying to make money, to make themselves known on the internet, and they are finding it difficult to get brand deals, to work with big brands out there. And these guys are making it easier for small influencers to actually do that. Look at the small influencers of this world. So much to give, so much to share, but so little help to make the most of it. No one there to pave their way to success. Existing platforms lacking the technology to help them grow. Time to break down all barriers between them and the marketing community. So this is what they are all about. And if, say, they succeed in what they want to achieve, I think they're going to be huge out. They're going to be big. So go and check more about this token. Look at what they are all about, as I mentioned, and try to look at the ecosystem on Twitter. They have a Twitter page here. They have 42.7K followers right now, and you can see the engagement on their tweets. They have a huge community. Let's not say a huge community, but they have a growing community, and that I think might support the growth of this project. So you guys should go and look Chirpley, do more research about it. Don't go and FOMO in right now. Of course, you can buy it right now, but don't just go full in. I'm trading this token on ByBit. If you want to do the same on ByBit, the links are found below this video. You can see here, I bought Chirpley when it was here. I drew this support resistance line here. If I go to the daily time frame, I drew this here saying that if I see Chirpley pull back to this level, I'm going to buy more. And immediately I saw pullback, I bought more, but I bought it at this point in time, and I saw pullback here, I bought more. And again, we might see a pullback to that same level, then you can buy from the pullback, or you can still buy now, and if, say, it pullback, then you can buy more. So that's how I go about it anyways. So this is it. You can trade this on ByBit. The links to trade it on ByBit is found below this video. Go on ByBit and start making awesome profit like me. If, say, you are still watching and you haven't yet subscribed, come on, guys. Why don't you want to subscribe? What have I done to you? Go and subscribe right now. Thumbs up and share this video with someone else out there. Bye-bye.